looks so cool over there. Hey Sam, before you moved in here, how long ago was that?
About 2 weeks now.
Okay, time for some reverse foreshadowing.
The what?
We're doing a flashback.
Oh, okay.
Quit being too detailed about this.
I can't see anything, it's too dark.
You're ruining my shot. Turn the lights back off.
No.
Oh, yeah, I suppose we need light to be able to do work. Okay.
Hey, could try the steps out.
Okay. If I die, it's because of your planning.
Whoa, those are some nice steps.
Is this up to code? Because this don't seem like it's up to code.
We took the right steps.
Hey Sam, bring me the Dremel.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Dremel's inside.
I don't think that's how it's intended. And we're done. Check it out. We moved to a new workshop. Yeah. Looks like the picture, right? What do you think, Sam?
It's pretty cool.
Oh, they're
pretty
dogs.
lit.
Yeah, there's a lot of light bulbs. Okay, but basically we moved out mainly because you are now definitely working full time doing YouTube stuff, so.
Your basement's small and has no air conditioning.
Yeah. One last thing, before we do this tour, this video is filmed in front of a live studio audience. Those are good boys. It's a thick boy and a smooth boy. Okay, so basically this is the bench from my house, as you probably have already seen. We pretty much completely gutted my old set. It's no longer a set. Basically, it started being too messy and my parents wanted me out of the house, so I rented this building somewhere away from my house. Very far away from my house, actually. And now I work here. I don't really live here just yet. I'm probably going to just be living in an apartment for a while. But other than that, see all this stuff. Yeah, it's my hand tools. You've seen that thing a million times. Okay, let's check out some decorations over here. So I have all my past projects. The nice thing is you can kind of see them now. There's the Thomas the Tank Engine with the flamethrower. The Winnebago skateboard, that one's a cool one. The saltwater powered boat, the flamethrower fire truck. Oh, this is a hot air balloon. You want to talk about that, Sam?
What do you want to say?
I don't know. It's cool, right?
It's a really cool RC hot air balloon, about 16 feet tall.
Yeah, it actually runs off of propane, so that's going to be another video. We'll talk about that when we get to that.
There's the giant lighter.
Oh yeah, that's one. You gotta be proud of that one. That one's pretty fun. Okay, reaping a boat. I got a nice piano. It's a nice decoration. It's out of tune. Like, listen to this. Oh yeah, doesn't that hurt your ears? But when I'm here late, I can practice and stuff and play whatever. So that's nice. Okay, this is the other one from my other house. We have a gun wall up there. There's the steam gun, the fidget flinger, the propane powered Nerf rifle, the mini flamethrower. That one's a good one. Oh, tools.
There's the compressor Nerf gun.
Oh yeah, that was a fun one.
Pneumatic.
Yeah, the pneumatic one. So a lot of you kind of ask, what kind of crazy tools I have, and I don't really use anything all that special. Maybe the laser cutter, but even then I haven't really been using that as of late. So mostly I just use a bandsaw, just a little small one you can buy. Crappy Harbor Freight drill press. It only has like, 3 inches of stroke. The thing's terrible. But hey, it still works. Ow. Okay. Oh, let's look at the airplanes and this stuff over here. So we kept this way. You can see my other ultralight. The nice thing about actually getting a new work area outside of the house is now I can actually assemble these projects in here and build them all completely. So I'm basically going to be rebuilding the wings for the ultralight for those of you sticking out for that. This one will have new wings on it, same span, same core team, everything, just different construction. Because the other ones are just too heavy, so it sucks. Okay, you can see the stuff over here. You got the that thing. You were supposed to do something with that, but you never did that. What do you plan to do with that, Sam?
I don't know yet. Yeah. Something like yours, but maybe a Mustang.
That'd be cool. But there's the VW. These are for freaking high school. You remember these?
Yeah, those things are fun.
Horrifying sounding.
FK cruisers.
Okay, let's go over here. So I do something about all this metal and aluminum stuff. So I'm gonna try to find a place to store this stuff. Gotta do that soonish. Working on some 3D print stuff. Those are just making noise over there. 3D prints be built. That's coming in probably the next video or two. But that'll be short enough. Okay, Sam, here, you give me this actually. Now it's your turn. So what do you got going on here, Sam?
This is my office.
Oh, there's the lucky boy.
We got a cot for the long nights. Some tool chest and junk and lights and yeah, lots of fake brick.
Some decorating to do.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Okay, here, my turn. Back to me. So you saw the second one over there. This is the first one. I'm probably gonna figure out what to do with this. Probably donate to the museum or something, because it does only have a limited amount of time left on the airframe, which is not a whole lot. Got the Airlight 103 that you might have already seen. I gotta basically rebuild the carbs in that, get that thing running, and we'll do a video on that. But that'll probably be sometime in late September when I get to that.
There's the wings.
Over here we have a table saw. This is another tool that I like to use a lot, but it doesn't get used as much as this guy over here. The miter saw. That's one of the best tools of all time. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, hi, Toby. He doesn't know what to think. He's kind of terrified of this place. The funny thing about him is he's always been kind of timid and scared of new things, so he's kind of like putzing around like, what's this? Oh. But he's a good boy. He's gonna be my new shop dog.
But what's in the corner?
Oh yeah, what is that, Sam?
The giant tank that looks really small in here.
Let's see, let's make it go. Still works. Pretty cool.
He did not like that.
Yeah, he did not. Okay, and up here we have the mezzanine that we built. You know, the funny thing is, like, it looks really cool, but the thing is, like, it's pretty low. I may not end up actually using this. It may just be for storage or something. But it does look pretty cool, so we'll probably put some decorations up there and have it look neat. Because it really does break up the look over here a little bit. That's kind of what I wanted with this whole setup here.
Those are some nice stairs.
Yeah, I made all that. Polyurethane, sanded and stained, all that nonsense.
Wow.
Put all that wood flooring in that we're probably not even going to use. This is just for storage. It's too low though. Here, move. The problem is my head is like banging around on it. So, anyways, it's pretty interesting. Maybe I'll make it an office. Maybe we'll use it for storage. Nobody knows. So I think that's almost it, right?
That's pretty much everything.
Yeah. Oh wait, we're forgetting one thing.
The refrigerator.
No, but the refrigerator? Why is this a thing?
Because we have a refrigerator.
I mean, I have one in my other house. Just got some crap in it. But one more thing. We're gonna do mail time for once. I've got enough mail from some of you fans, and we're gonna open it in front of the camera. I need to go find it.
What happened to your lampshades?
Those are expensive. I just bought them. So last night I was putting them up. You left. It was like 1 in the morning, and the stupid ladder has really grippy feet. So when you move it, it vibrates a lot. And this lampshade was resting on it, so I backed up a little more to get the ladder off of it, and the freaking lampshade just shatters and explodes. So that kind of sucks because it's one lampshade. But the problem is, this other lamp is hanging right below it. Because if you look, we only got one H track up there, and that just brought off and bolted to the offset. It saves me an H track. It saves you from running around this light. So that lampshade broke, and then it broke this other lampshade, and each one of those lampshades is $50. So that's really, really stupid. And I just pretty much gave up and went home after that. So, like I said, let's actually do mail time. Hey, but look at that. Look at the airliner. I have that 777. I made a light kit for that. I'm really happy with that. It looks sweet lit up. But okay, mail time. Back to mail time. So I got some pre-screened mail already. I'll probably actually open up on camera next time, so it's more exciting. But the first package is from Adrian. Let's see what's in here. Peter, Sam, thanks for coming to the HeBoCon at the Bay Area Maker Faire. Hope you had as much fun as we did. Hope that you put that trophy in a display case just as fancy as the trophy itself. The trophy may have got broken in transit, but I did keep... I lost it. It's around here somewhere. The part with the Tabasco sauce on it and the bird. It was pretty cool. But check this out. If you haven't seen William's video on the HeBoCon stuff, which is basically the really crappy robots from Japan, we made this. This is break fast. It's made out of Pop-Tarts and some other stuff. This is actually really awesome. What?
There's a banana.
Yeah, there was a banana on the car. So this is really awesome. This is definitely going on the wall. Put that over there. Let's see. Okay, so that's that one. I only briefly looked at these two, so I'm still kind of excited about some of this. Oh, this is cool. I think this one's from William. How to build ultralights. Whoa. That's actually gonna be pretty useful because oh hey look, there's a hot wire bow in here. Man, they were doing this stuff back in the, when is this? This looks like it's from like the 60s or something. Or the 70s. Because I think that's when ultralights were actually really popular, the 60s and 70s. The baby boomer generation and all that. But yeah, that's pretty sweet. I don't see a date on this, so I'm just gonna go and assume it's from 1960, 70 something. Sweet, we'll go through that for getting some new ideas. Let's see. The next package is from Calvin. Let's see. Ooh, a handwritten note. I've been watching your videos for a while now, and and none of them cease to fascinate. Wait, none of them cease to. Okay, cool. I especially like the videos about your ultralight aircraft, which made me wonder about how little power can be possibly used to lift a person. I did a bit of research. I found that in 1979, an aircraft built by Dr. Paul B. McCready made a successful crossing of the English Channel and was powered by a man pedaling it like a bicycle. Oh, I have seen that. That is a really cool aircraft, the pedal-powered airplane. Something like that is pretty neat, and I've thought about those. But I was astonished. I know you have the brains to create a setup that could do something similar. I hope it would be awesome if you could create a man-powered aircraft on your YouTube channel. Thanks, Calvin. This is actually pretty cool. I have thought about it, but the thing is, like, some of that stuff is pretty high-tech, but who knows? Maybe in the future we'll definitely consider some man-powered stuff. An aircraft is definitely high up there on the list, but who knows, in the future we could probably try something like that. Alright, let's see. Is there anything else? This one is from Will Davis. You know, I don't think this one's actually been opened. Can you hear that rain? It's raining really loud outside.
Yeah, it is.
Oh well, let's keep going. Oh, there's $1 in here. Dear Peter, remember that YouTube video, How to Make an RC Paper Airplane, that you posted on May 11th, 2018? During the video, you 3D printed a frame that connects the two motors to the paper airplane. I would like you to 3D print a frame for me. Here's a $1 bill to print the frame. Please and thanks. Well, you might get your wish. Nobody else followed this because I do not do print on demand. I will just do it for him because he's the first person to request a print on demand frame. If you do want to print something, you should actually go check out Shapeways. They're a site that can do it. You upload your own files there and they print it for you, mail it to you. But since you already paid me, I'm obligated to do this. Nobody falls asleep because I'm taking your money and buying lunch with it.
No affiliation to Shapeways.
You have no affiliation to them. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. This is from that. So I think that's it. And that concludes mail time. Return to sender. Oh, poor Boogles. Okay, I take it off. But okay, I think that concludes this week's video. My God, I'm like really far behind on stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of, you know, not super actiony. We didn't really build anything crazy, but we did get a lot done. I'm in a new workshop now, so hopefully we can make more videos faster for you guys. Because now that I'm actually dedicated to this full time, and I have to make ends meet because rent is due every month now. So now we're gonna be freaking out. You should check out my Patreon. I don't really care about the Patreon. It's fine. If you guys want to do something with that, Sam, you'll be uploading more videos hopefully too. So if you guys want, check out Sam's channel. We're trying to get him to 100,000 subscribers and get him a silver play button like that one on the wall. Because that'll be super cool for you to get one, right? You want one?
Yeah, I want one.
But I think that's it. Okay. Yes. On to the next video.
Kind of impressive that all of this was done in less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, I know. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of late nights work and stuff. But okay, we should end it. This thing's probably dragging on long enough. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that snoot.
But what is that?
Oh yeah, ooh, sneak peek for anyone who made it this far in the video. This is your boat design, but recently I've been working on making a boat that anyone can build with the simplest of parts, and you know, this actually might be working pretty good. So, more on that later.